Look what happens when you drink hot water with lemon for a year. Lemon water is one of the healthiest drinks out there. It relieves thirst and nourishes the body much more than you can believe, not to mention the sheer amount of benefits it provides. Once you wake the body tissues, they become dehydrated and need a lot of toxins to remove the toxins and rejuvenate the cells. 1. Balance the pH. Believe it or not, lemons are probably the most alkaline food out there. They are acidic, but inside the body they are alkaline. 2. Adequate digestion. Hot water stimulates the gastrointestinal tract and peristalsis. Peristalsis are muscle contractions within the intestinal walls that keep everything moving. Its high content of vitamins and minerals helps to loosen the toxins in the digestive tract. 3. Cleanses the skin. Vitamin C reduces wrinkles and blemishes. The water with lemon removes the toxins and gives a better flexibility of the skin. 4. Stimulates the immune system. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which works very well in the treatment of colds. This citric is also high in potassium, important for brain and nerve function. Potassium regulates blood pressure as well. It has been confirmed to have a strong anti-inflammatory effect, and is commonly used as a complementary support for asthma and other respiratory problems. In addition, it improves the absorption of iron in the organism. Iron offers the proper immune function. 5. Water with lemon provides electrolytes and moisturizes the body. 6. It is ideal for joints, relieves joint and muscle pain. 7. Water with lemon produces more enzymes than certain foods. 8. Reduces blood pressure. 9. Prevents cancer. 10. Stimulates the natural weight loss process. 11. Dissolve gallstones, kidney stones, pancreatic calculi and calcium deposits. 12. Relieves heartburn. 13. Dilute the uric acid. Uric acid buildup causes joint pain. 14.